Okay. The battery went dead on this GoPro, but we got the lights in. Brand new. Didn't cost that much. Around $35 a piece on eBay. In a good old truck. They got a tent to them, but what the heck, who cares? Looks pretty good though. Brighter than the other ones. Now I gotta wait for my paint to come in for this fender. This is the old one over here. Got a big dent in it. Gotta get that Henry inlet off there. Order some paint. Not a bad old truck. Thing about Mopars, Dodges and everything is you gotta know them. And these guys say, oh, they're no good, blah, blah, blah. They don't know what they're talking about. Mainly the dealerships will hire anybody that can turn a wrench. So if you get a Chevy or a Ford lover working at a dealership just because he wanted a paycheck and he don't know your Dodges, you'll mess them up. So anyhow, looks pretty damn good. Do some sand in and stuff like that and primer this. But anyhow folks, that's all for now. Bye.